Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate netherite in Minecraft Bedrock. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need one solid block, 2 hoppers, and 1 bundle. Crucially, place the netherite you want to duplicate inside that bundle. Also, familiarize yourself with your game's item drop button, as precise timing will be absolutely key for this method to succeed. Now let's construct the simple setup. Begin by placing one solid block, then attach a hopper to its side, ensuring the hopper's nozzle points towards that block. Next, break the initial block you placed. Then, crouch down and place a second hopper where the block was, making sure its nozzle faces directly into the first hopper. This creates a loop for the bundle. With your hoppers in place, add the bundle containing your netherite into one of them. You will observe the bundle rapidly transferring back and forth between the 2 hoppers. The critical step is to press your item removal button to take items from the bundle at the precise moment it is about to transfer to the other hopper. This timing is crucial for success. Mastering this duplication glitch often requires practice, so do not be discouraged if it takes several tries to get the timing just right. When successful, you will find the duplicated netherite items in your inventory, while the original bundle remains in the hopper, ready for you to repeat the process. This method can significantly boost your valuable resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.